run right fast to jump in. Now I'm about to collapse. Whoa! Well then, there's nothing we can do. You're here. We gotta clash in the next town. We gotta hurry somehow. I know budging is. How I throw at it. Oh yeah. I can't open this door. I can't open.
Oh dear.
Very well to go around, but I can't. Maybe that's what I need. Guys, we have a problem at door. I'm trying to make it figure this out.